Welcome to Creative Influenzes Incorporated, where we help you achieve success, step by step. Today, we'll explore tools and services that will revolutionize your mindset and boost your productivity. Unlock the secrets of passive income through affiliate marketing and take your online business to new heights. Starting an online business can be overwhelming, but we've got you covered at Creative Influenzes. We provide tools and resources to help you learn and start your business. From website builders to marketing platforms, we have everything you need to start your business and succeed. All we ask from you is to be focused and dedicated to achieve your goals. Start your journey with a free book As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. This book will help you with your mindset and should motivate you to go after your goals. Achieving success is not just about the tools, it's about mindset and consistent action. That's why we invite you to join us on this amazing journey. Together, we'll help you to unleash your full potential and to overcome obstacles that will slow your progress. We'll smash goals and celebrate achievements, because success is a journey we take together. At Creative Influenzes, our mission is to empower you to live a life of abundance, fulfillment, and financial freedom. Our experienced team is dedicated to your success. Join us on this incredible journey and make your dreams a reality. Thank you for exploring Creative Influenzes. Remember, your success is defined by each goal you accomplish. Please visit our website and YouTube channel for amazing tools and resources. Keep striving towards your goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Stay strong, stay focused, and be intentional.